Yes, so hello again to all the human and social biology students from across the Caribbean. So now we'll be looking at question 3, 2008, paper 2. So this question has to do with the human eyes. So label diagram there. So the first question A. So identify each of the structures labeled. Cornea, that will be A. So that's the front of the eye there. C, that will be the iris, properly labeled there. And G is what is known as the optic nerve. Which letter represents the structure that converts light energy to nerve impulse? That, of course, would be the retina, and that is E. Refracts light and helps the eyeball keep its shape. That would be lens, and that is D. Right, so that is D there, the lens. And then we have the next question, supports the lens. We have the ciliary muscle, and that is F. Let's move on to the other questions. Question C. Nigel was previously able to read the newspaper by holding it about 20 centimeters away from his eyes. Now that he is 55 years old, he must hold the paper 60 centimeters away from his eyes in order to read it. Name the condition Nigel has developed and state the cause of the condition. So that condition, of course, will be long-sightedness, and we have two possible causes there: a weak lens and, of course, short eyeball. Moving on, what type of lens should be used to correct the problem? It will be a convex lens, not a concave. You would use concave for short-sightedness. Going down to D, Nigel's wife is also having vision problems. She was diagnosed with hypertension 5 years ago, suggests a possible eye disease that she may have developed and how it may be treated. So the disease is hypertensive retinopathy, right? So that is the disease, and it can be treated by, of course, the individual ensure that her blood pressure is lowered. So we want to actually control the blood pressure. So of course she will be given different medication by the doctor to control the blood pressure. Alright, so E, Lee's best friend told her that our eyes really see things upside down. Lee is confused by this statement because she sees everything right side up. Is Lee's friend telling the truth? So that's a question, and you must explain your response. So yes, Lee's friend is telling the truth. The image that is formed on the retina is really upside down. Right, so it is really upside down. It is when the optic nerve carries the information to the brain turn it the right way up. Right, so when the image is formed on the retina, it is actually upside down, but it is actually the brain that really turn it the right way up when the optic nerve would have taken the information to it. Right, so you answering those just the same or similar to that, then you should maximize and get as much as possible out of the 15 marks. So once again, students, we have come to the end of another episode. Please remember to click on the subscription button so that you will be notified once a new video is upload to my YouTube channel. So thanks for viewing. Leave your comment in the comment section of the video. Remember to share the video, and of course like the video. So once again, students, thanks for viewing. Your teacher is out of here.